You've got that slick stunning Figma design, but now what? How do you turn it into a fully functional WordPress website without losing the magic, the motion, or even the mood of your design? Grab your coffee, your cat, or even your coding buddy, because in this video we are breaking down 5 fabulous ways to convert your Figma designs to WordPress without breaking the bank or even breaking your head. By the way, I am Dabs from Siok Media. We post WordPress tutorial regularly. If you are new here and you would like to learn more about WordPress, smash the subscribe button, like this video, drop a nice comment if you find this video useful. And then without further ado, I think we should get started already. Yes, first things first now, let's talk about why you should even be considering converting your Figma to WordPress. Figma is where creativity comes to life, but WordPress is where it goes to work. And let me give you some fun fact. Over 43% of the entire web run on WordPress. That's not just a fun fact. That's a full-on phenomenal. It's flexible, it's fast, and there's also bonus. It's friendly for both developers and design dreamers, maybe like you. So converting your Figma design isn't just about pixels, it's about performance, publishing, and also profit. So now that we are sure that WordPress is the big deal here, then let me walk you through 5 easy methods for you to convert those Figma designs to WordPress. Yes, let's start with the gold standard, which is hiring a professional team to do the heavy lifting for you. Good thing at Seahawk, we specialize in converting Figma masterpiece into WordPress website that's pixel perfect, responsible, robust, and elaborate, just like you designed it inside of Figma. It's easy. You hand us the files, we hand you your website, no drama, no detour, no disaster. Now, why is this powerful? It's powerful because you get expert developers who follow best practices, which is SEO optimized code, mobile optimized layers, blazing fast load times. That's what I call the full feast, not just the fast food. And now, did you know that websites that load in under 2 seconds have a bounce rate of just 9%? But those who take 5 seconds or more, a whooping 38% of their visitors bail. Yeah, you see that? That's the difference between something professionally done and something carelessly done. And guess what? At Seahawk, our professional service starts at just $499 US for a business ready site. That's a bargain and not a burden. Yeah, next up is for the DIY folks. Using page builder like Elementor, Divi, Beaver Builder, or even Whippy Bakery, these tools are like design Legos. You stack, you snap, and then you style. Now, page builders are perfect if you are a hands-on hustler. You want to tweak text, adjust the alignment, or you add animation. Easy peasy, no PHP, no writing of code. Drag and drop here and there, you have your website. These tools are just for beginners. They are also powerful enough for pros. Elementor alone powers over 8 million websites worldwide. That's not just a plugin, that's a planet. Before we get too excited about the idea of page builders, I think we should talk about the good things about it and the not too good things about it. So maybe we should start with the good things first. First off, it's budget friendly. You don't need to break the bank. Secondly, you don't need to write a piece of code. Thirdly, you have tons of template and design freedom for you to play around with. It gives you just those options. Now let's talk about the not too good things. What's coming to my mind now is it may just lack that pixel perfect polish type of a pro website that you would get if you hire maybe professionals at Seahawk. And secondly, it can get bloated if you overdo things. You have to keep it simple and clean. You don't want to keep overloading things. You might just get yourself a website that is super, super slow. So if you've got time, taste, tenacity, you might just like this method. Now here is where things get techy. You want full control, then manual HTML CSS conversion is your playground. You slice the Figma design, code it with care, and then wrap it into a WordPress theme or a template. Maybe even one that is compatible with some page builders. You see, this is really for the code genius. People who get excited about semantic HTML, lightweight CSS, or spotless source code. This is not for you if you don't know how to write codes. Now let's talk about the good things and the not too good things. So let's start first with the good one. Full creative and functional control. You can go over and beyond, do as you wish. The second one is that you have clean, optimized output because you know what you're putting in and then you're getting exactly what you put in. And now let's look at the not too good part of this. The only thing that comes to mind is that it might be time intensive. You need to spend a lot of time for you to sit down and do all the dirty work, to code everything. I just think it's a lot of work for you to code your Figma design and then you convert it into a WordPress theme. And then finally, steep learning curve. This is not for beginners. This would require that you are a pro, you know what you're doing. Again, if you're willing to go the extra mile, you might just end up having a lean, light, fast, fully tailored WordPress site that screams, I know my stuff. And before I leave this, I think I should just give some pro tip here. You want to combine these tools like ACF, advanced custom fields, or maybe Timber to supercharge your custom theme. That's if you're taking on the project to really convert your Figma design into a WordPress theme. Trust me when I say this, you would never know how pre-made theme can help you easily just convert your Figma designs to WordPress theme. You just need to simply pick a theme that closely matches your Figma layout, and then you tweak the colors, the front, the images to match your brand. It's as simple as that. Someone has done all the heavy lifting. Just take up what they have done, and then you can convert it. You can customize it to be yours. It's as simple as that. This is great for MVPs, landing pages, or when you have quick line deliveries, and with thousands of themes on the platform in the marketplace like TeamForest, Astra, Cadence, you have a spoiled list of selection to make. Now let's talk about the good things and the not too good things. Well, let's start first with the good one. This is very quick to launch. Second one, low cost. You can pick up a WordPress theme for as low as $20 or even $30 sometimes. No development skill is required here, so it makes it look appealing for beginners. The not too good part about this is that design flexibility is limited because you might not be able to undo some codes, and it may include just bloat or unnecessary features in case someone who have designed that theme is not a serious coder. Never can tell. This method to me is like going to a store to buy an already made cake. Still sweet, still satisfying, not just as unique as baking from the scratch or just finding exactly what's in your head that you want. It's as simple as that. And finally, the futuristic options. AI power tools that automatically convert Figma designs to WordPress code. Yep, it's 2025 and the robots are here to write your website for you. Yes, it's AI age. Tools like Yotako, Fignail, UI Chemie are entering the chart with some promising future, auto code generation, responsive design guesses, and just content management integration like WordPress and also other content management systems as well. So now let's look at the good things and the not too good things about using these AI tools. First off, it's fast, hands-free. You just don't need to do anything. Most times with the click of a button, The AI does all the magic for you. And secondly, it's great for prototypes and also for MVPs. And also they are relatively cheaper. You're not going to break the bank to get this done. And now let's look at the not too good part of using this AI. Accuracy is not always 100%, and that's an obvious one, right? I don't really need to say it. Sometimes this AI go over and beyond, and then they just disappoint you. And secondly, they might break your website when you have complex layouts. It's still AI. There's nothing you can do about it. Think of these like auto tunes for your website. It works wonders until you hit the high notes. So I would recommend that you use this tool if you want to jumpstart or you want to build some wireframes. Don't expect award-winning website just yet. We are close, but we are quite not there yet. Alright guys, I think it's time for us to wrap this up. What have I truly said in this tutorial? I have given you 5 options for you to convert your Figma to WordPress. And let's just do a quick recap of them all. The first method is for you to hire a pro for perfect, polished peace of mind. That's it, and that's what we offer at Seok. The second method is to use a page builder if you want to have control without writing a piece of code. And the third method is for you to go manual, full customization, writing all the code yourself. And the next method is for you to try a theme if you are tight on time or you have a limited budget. And finally, let AI help you if you're a curious mind or you are very, very experimental. Right now, I'm feeling like a prophet. I'm feeling somebody watching this video right now just asked, which one is the best? Well, it all depends on your project, your pocket, and also your patience. But if you really do want an expert execution without stress or surprises, then talk to an expert. At Seok Media, we are waiting to hear from you. We can help you convert your Figma designs to WordPress. That's it guys, that's my time for this tutorial. If you find value for your time, you need to smash the like button and also subscribe so that you don't miss out on awesome tutorials like this from us. And that's it, and I'll see you again in another tutorial, and until then, take care.